You can clean water treatment polymer, which the industry affectionately refers to as elephant snot, by using several methods. Here are just a few. Flush all of it with cold water, but then the product swells, leaving you a huge volume of wastewater to dispose of, and it also likes to settle and harden in your pipes. Alternatively, put a few bags of salt into the tank and steam it for several hours. I'm not making this up, it's a thing. In about 3 hours, you'll get all the polymer out, but you will have completely destroyed the chromium oxide passive film in the tank, leaving it ripe for rusting. Another creative method: spray a concentrated bleach solution into the tank, followed by live steam. Yes, sodium hypochlorite. Another creative way to destroy the chromium oxide passive film in the tank. All these methods fall into the category of just because you can doesn't mean that you should. Instead, you should use just 5 gallons of John Henry Triple Play, and you will be driving your flock tank off the wash rack in just 1 hour and 10 minutes. No baggage, no damage, and no swollen flock to harden in your drain pipes. In fact, our tried and proven method generates a mere 70 gallons of non-haz wastewater. Triple Play makes elephant snot an easy clean. Visit us at tankwashsolutions.com for more information. And thanks for watching.